Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss important named reaction, that is Robinson annulation. Here annulation is derived from Latin word annulum, means ring. So from this Robinson annulation reaction we are going to get ring system. And if you see what is this Robinson annulation, Robinson annulation is combination of three reactions, that is Michael addition, aldol condensation and dehydration reaction. Simply it can be remembered as MAD reaction, MAD reaction, that is Michael addition, aldol condensation, dehydration reaction. And if you come for the reaction of Robinson annulation, first sequence of reaction is Michael addition, that is Michael donor reacts with Michael acceptor. Means here Michael donor, here it is 1,3-dicarbonyl compound. Upon treatment with base, it is going to form enolate. This enolate formed will react with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound and leads to the formation of 1,5 diketone, and there will be formation of 1 carbon-carbon bond, and this Michael addition reaction is also called as 1,4 addition reaction, that is enolate formed from Michael donor will react at 4th carbon atom. So it is called 1,4 addition reaction, or it is also called as conjugate addition reaction, which leads to the formation of 1,5 diketone through the formation of carbon-carbon bond. So this 1,5 diketone which is formed from Michael addition reaction in presence of base will undergo intramolecular aldol condensation, which leads to the formation of beta hydroxy ketone. And in this intramolecular aldol condensation, there is one more carbon-carbon bond formation, and this beta hydroxy ketone, which is formed from intramolecular aldol condensation in presence of base, will undergo dehydration reaction or elimination reaction to give alpha beta unsaturated ketone, that is cyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and this is known as Robinson product. Means it is obtained by the sequence of reaction, that is Michael addition reaction, aldol condensation and dehydration reaction. And if you come for the mechanism of Robinson annulation, first sequence of reaction is Michael addition reaction. So in Michael addition reaction, base is going to abstract proton and leads to the formation of enolate, and this enolate is going to act as Michael donor and it is going to react with Michael acceptor. So this negative charge will shift here and this pi bond will attack and it leads to the formation of one more enolate. And at the same time there is formation of carbon-carbon bond. And this enolate take up a proton from water molecule and it is going to form enol. So this enol will undergo tautomerization to form 1,5 diketone. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,5 diketone. This is known as Michael addition product. So whatever the 1,5 diketone formed from Michael addition reaction, now it will undergo intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. So in presence of base, this alpha hydrogen will be get abstracted and it is going to form enolate. So now this enolate reacts intramolecularly with the carbonyl compound and it is going to form this alkoxide. So now this alkoxide will take up a proton from the aqueous medium and it is going to form beta hydroxy ketone derivative, alpha beta. So this is intramolecular aldol condensation. So this beta hydroxy ketone in presence of base and heating will undergo dehydration, or you can call it elimination, leads to the formation of Robinson annihilated product, that is alpha beta unsaturated ketone derivative. Means here we are going to get cyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So this is known as Robinson annihilated product. So there is formation of cyclic ring system, and this Robinson annihilation reaction is of great importance in natural product chemistry. Since we are able to get ring system, so it is of great importance in the preparation of polycyclic organic compounds. Thank you.